Winter morning, so much beautiful. Everywhere mist. Car is coming with lighting. People are going to their destination. Everything is fine, beautiful. Beauty of calm and silence is winter morning. Little distance I see everything is dark. Good weather, enjoying the moment, nice and beautiful day. Flower is blooming. People are going to their work. Every people walk up slowly from the bed. I am happy today weather and environment. Lakeside view, so much beautiful and enjoying the moment. Nice weather.